Hello mga kapartners! Umpisahan natin tong video na to sa pagbili ng ticket. Una, pipindutin mo kung saang bansa ka nang galing. Syempre, Philippines. Pipili ka ng lengguwahe kung anong gusto mo. Syempre, English. Then, add mo lang kung ilang ticket ang bibilin mo. Syempre, 5 kami. At babayaran mo lang yan through credit card or your ATM. At yung ticket namin ay nagkakahalaga lang ng 1,470 pesos or 24.50 euro. Tara, pasok na tayo guys. Excited na sila. Oops, by the way, saan ba tayo pupunta? Ano ba tong malaking tower na to? Andito lang naman kami sa famous tower in Berlin. Ito yung most prominent landmark and tallest building in Germany na meron itong 368 meters above. At sa pinakataas, may experience mo ang 360-degree view. Dito mo rin makikita ang mga famous landmark dito sa Berlin. Madali mong mapuntahan kasi kitang-kita mo na sa pinakataas. Syempre mga kapartners, akyat na tayo. Eto na. You know what guys? In just 40 seconds, nandito na daw kami sa pinakataas. Naku po, ang bilis! Hawak lang guys! Eto na nga, 40 seconds na pala yun. At pag open ng elevator, eto lang naman ang bubungad sa'yo. Ang fantastic panoramic view of the city of Berlin. Hapyawan ko pala dito yung Berlin Gate guys. Kung napapansin nyo yung Cathedral Church, ayan, one of the major attraction because of richly decorated and interior and fascinating history and impressive architecture. Additionally, Berlin Tower was constructed between 1965 and 1969 by the government of German Democratic Republic, East Germany, as a functional broadcasting facility and symbol of the communist power, and it's located next to Alexanderplatz. Dito sa tower, meron din silang restaurant pero hindi na namin inakyat guys kasi medyo naghahabol na kami ng oras. Ang importante lang, nakita namin yung 360 panoramic view at ito yung mga kasama ko guys. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoy and learn something about Berlin Tower. Please continue to support and follow for more.